I found a T720 OMP ready to fly. But look.
Oh no.
What did I do? I went out in the shop and got parts. Oh wait, we don't need those. Flag for safety. Now it can't roll off and stab me in my foot. Quick beveled edge. See, and I even used the artwork that was on the other plane, so it kind of looks like it's supposed to be there, huh? What do you think? That's the rudder off an old plane that's been laying around out back forever that I just wouldn't throw away. Knew one day I was going to need a piece of foam just like that. And there you go.
Fix it. Fix it. Fix it.